Okay, so those kinds of comparisons with two integers are pretty easy. We did pretty okay with those in the pod, and up till now, those have been all we've dealt with, and that's pretty good. So now that we've kind of mastered that, we want to move on to the next level. So what if I had something like x is greater than 7? Well, the 7's an integer. I know how to deal with that, but I don't know what the heck to do with this x. And now that there's an x on this side, I don't know what that means in terms of greater than. So what that really means, though, is we want to deal with all of the integers that are bigger than x. So what are some things that x could be? What are some things that are greater than 7? Well, 8 is greater than 7, 9 is greater than 7, 10 is greater than 7. So all of those are possibilities. So what we want to do is we want to draw a number line so that we can show all of those possibilities. So I'm going to pull out my blue marker. I'm going to draw my number line. Okay, and just for sake of space, I'm going to kind of put my 0 over here. And I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and it goes on into positive infinity, right? And so over here we would have like -1, -2, all the way to negative infinity. We're looking for all the numbers or integers that are greater than 7. So if we find 7 right here, everything that's greater than 7 is going to be on this side, right? So how do we graph that? Well, we have 3 steps. So our first step is going to be to decide if our dot that goes on our number is going to be an open circle, like this, or a closed circle, like this. And so the difference is whether or not we include the number that we're starting with. So for this one, greater than 7, we don't want to include 7, because 7 is not greater than 7. So I'm going to use an open circle. So I'm going to go to 7, find my target number, in this case it's 7, and I'm going to put an open circle because I don't want to include 7. Then I'm going to decide which way my arrow goes. So do I want all the numbers over here, or do I want all the numbers over here? Well, since it's greater than, I want all the numbers over here. So then I'm going to draw my line like that. It's a very wavy line, but it's a line. So our 3 steps are going to be decide if the dot is going to be open or closed. Then you are going to place a dot on your target number, and then you're going to decide which way the arrow goes. That way. Simple enough.